Hey everyone, my name is Shabad and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we will see how we can create a Power BI service account when we don't have a work or a school email ID. So if you are on this video, you would have already tried signing up using your personal email ID and you would be getting an error something like this. So let's see how we can fix this. So our first step would be creating a GitHub account. If you already have a GitHub account, you can skip this step, otherwise follow along. Go to github.com, click on sign up, enter your email ID, click on continue, create a password, create a username, you can enter N here, start puzzle, click on create account, enter the code you would have received. Select just me and you can select student. Click on continue and continue for free. Once your GitHub account is created, head to google.com, search for Azure portal sign up, and click on this link. Click on start for free, and here you can sign in with the GitHub account that we just created. Enter your details here. Enter the verification code that you would have received. Verify code. Enter your address. Click on I agree. So as a second step, you would need to verify your identity by using your credit card or debit card. Fill in the details and click on sign up. So once your sign up is completed, you will be taken to this screen. Click on maybe later. So go ahead and search for Azure Active Directory. Make sure you select the one that is under marketplace and not services. Click on next configuration. You can create any name here. And you can enter the same here as well. Click on next review and create, and click on create. Complete the verification. Submit. It will take some time and your tenant would be created. Click on users. Here you can see there will already be a default one, but we need to go ahead and create a new user. Enter a username here. You can create a display name. Create a password. And click on review and create. So here you can just copy this email ID, because this will be the email ID that we will use to register for Power BI, and click on refresh to see the new user that you created, and as you can see it is available here. Now go ahead and go to powerbi.microsoft.com and click on try free. Enter the email ID that we copied and click on submit. Click on sign in. Enter the password that you created. You would need to update the password here. Go ahead and do so. Click on sign in. Here you can select your region and enter your mobile number. If you prefer not to enter your mobile number, you can simply enter 10 zeros and click on get started. Click on get started. Congratulations, your Power BI service account has been created. You can use this ID and password to log in into your Power BI desktop as well.